In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually input bank transactions in QuickBooks. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to get it right for accurate bookkeeping. So let's dive in and make sure your financial records are well maintained and precise. The first step you'll need to do is click on the Sign In option. Make sure you're logging into your QuickBooks account with the right credentials. If you're new to this, remember that keeping your login information secure is just as important as having it handy. It's always a good reminder to update your password regularly to maintain security. Now, once you're signed in, your next step is to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. After selecting QuickBooks Online, it's time to type in your credentials, simply enter them and hit Continue. Once you're logged into the system, you'll need to head over to the Transactions section. This is your hub for all transaction related activities, so getting familiar with this area will certainly pay off in the long run. Once you're in the Transactions section, the next step is to select Bank Transactions. Under Bank Transactions, you'll be able to manage all the inputs and edits relating to your bank dealings. Now, it's time to flip your attention to the account where you wish to upload the transactions to. Select the account, and once you have identified the appropriate account, look for and select the Link Account drop-down menu. Next, you'll want to select Upload from File. This option allows you to add transactions from a file that you've prepared or received, which is a great way to keep things organized. When you're ready, choose Drag and Drop or Select Files. This is a very intuitive part of QuickBooks, as you can simply drag your transaction file from your desktop or find it through the File Explorer once you select the option. Be sure to double check that you've selected the correct file to avoid any discrepancies in your records. Once your file is selected, hit Continue. QuickBooks will give you one last chance to verify that you have selected the correct transactions. Take the time to review them carefully. Importing the wrong transactions can lead to unnecessary confusion down the line. After reviewing, select the transactions you want to import and press Continue. You will need to proceed through the remaining prompts until you're done, and with that you have successfully manually inputted bank transactions into QuickBooks. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and that you'll find managing your financial transactions a breeze. Remember, keeping your accounts up to date is key to a smooth running business. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to refer back to this video if you need a refresher in the future.